visuals coming in. In fact, we're looking at the visuals of the Prime Minister just arriving there for watching the movie. The Prime Minister has already arrived. The other union ministers also expected to arrive. He is seen with Kiren Rijiju as well as Ashwini Vaishnav as he arrives here for the movie. This is the Bal Yogi Auditorium in the Parliament where the Sabarmati report will be shown, and we are told that several union ministers will be accompanying the Prime Minister and watching the movie. The actor Vikrant Massey has also earned a lot of praise for his movies. He's going to be there as well. So the Prime Minister is going to be watching this movie in just a short while from now. Why it's interesting is because the Sabarmati report has also hit headlines with the Prime Minister saying that the truth is finally out. And remember, the opposition has been hitting out at the Prime Minister and the BJP saying this is a propaganda movie. So in just a little while from now, in just seconds from now, minutes from now, we're expecting the movie's premiere to begin in the Parliament. So Pragya, politically as well, this is going to be a very significant message. The Prime Minister has just arrived. We're also getting in live visuals of him arriving with Kiren Rijiju as well as Ashwini Vaishnav, who all will be in attendance. We're told several MPs will also be attending.
All the MPs have been extended this particular invitation, and you are seeing Ashwini Vaishnav. He is welcoming all the MPs because he is an INB minister, and also Kiren Rijiju because he is Minister for Parliamentary Affairs. So both of them were at the gate of auditorium, library building, and they received each one of the MPs who have been extended this invitation. In fact, all the NDA MPs have been given this invitation along with all the ministers because there are also ministers from NDA alliance, Shiv Sena, and Shiv Sena is there, TDP is there. So all of them have been invited and they all will be present here. Obviously a strong message of a stronger NDA alliance and who are standing behind one ideological, narrative, and also believing in Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because when, Sabarmati Express and the Godhra riot took place, everyone attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was the then Chief Minister of Gujarat. This is also a messaging to the opposition that we stand, hum ek hain, we stand with the Prime Minister, and we all believe whatever is said in this particular movie is the right, is the truth, right narrative, and also the truth, and all that has been told till now is a lie. This is the message that everyone who will be watching this movie is sending across to the opposition parties.